Hi, good morning, second graders. This time I want to talk about a bit of Judaic. I sent you a packet. Each and every one came and picked it up. This packet with all the stories of the Bible, and I want us to start with a story that we already talked about a bit in the classroom, and I want to refresh your memory. It's about Abraham and Lot, how they came to the land of Israel and they settled down, and all their sheep and cattle start spreading around, and everything was quite all right for some times. But at some point, the shepherds started quarreling with each other. Hey, this is my space. Hey, your sheep are eating all the grass. Hey, your cattle is drinking all the water. There's nothing left. What are you doing? And Abraham ran to them and said, hey, hey, hey. Abraham was a peaceful man. Hey, 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 what's going on? Why are you doing what you're doing? And they were like, no, look at these sheep. Hey, look at these things. It was a big, big, big quarrel. So they all fight. And Abraham said to Lot, listen, Lot, we're a family. If you remember, Lot is his nephew, right? Because Lot was his brother, and his brother died, and he took care of Lot. We are family. I don't want you to feel that we are going to fight. I don't want us to do it. So what I want you to do is to choose. Choose side, and I'll choose the other side. And that's fine. Everyone was there very generous. Sometimes old people, we have to respect the old. So the older you are, maybe you would have picked first because you are the older one. But no, he let Lot do it. And Lot didn't argue. He said, okay. Lot was a bit greedy in this case because he took the side that has the better soil, the better water, and everything. And he said, yeah, my crops need it, I need it. Abram was very generous and he was a very peaceful guy. So he said to him, you can take it. But remember, on the other side, there is Sodom and Gomorrah, two cities that the people are wicked over there, and they are believing in idols, which Abraham wasn't. And do you think you'll be fine? And Lot says, of course I'll be fine. I don't care what other people do. I care what my family are doing. And I do care for my sheep and animals that they will eat good. So this was part of it. And Lot took this place. And right after Lot took this place, he went to settle over there, and God gave a promise to Abraham. And in the promise to Abraham, he told him, lift up your eyes from this place and look east and west and north and south. All the land that you can see, mountains and valleys and plains, I will give to you and to your children and their children and those who come after. So he gives the promise that he will give that land to Abraham and all his descendants, which is a huge promise. So what I want you to do, I want you to read the first two papers, page 24 and 25, and then there are questions. The questions are on page 26. The first part is you need to complete the sentence. You need to read the sentences, look at the story, and complete the missing words. The words are at the bottom, beneath it. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then there are words at the bottom. You need to choose the right word and to put it in the right sentence. After that, in B, you need to match the columns. You have one part and second part, and you just need to draw a line from one to the other, so people will know, so you will know, so I will know which one is which. For an example, if we have Noach, then we need to go to Ark. Then I want you to read the question at the bottom. Why did Abraham allow Lot to choose first the land on which to live at? And the answer is because Abraham was a man of peace. Rather than have an argument or fight between his men and Lot's men, He gave Lot the pick of the land. In Hebrew, the word for peace is, what's the word for peace? Shalom, right. Abraham was a true man of shalom. Shalom is so precious to us that it is both a greeting and goodbye. Shalom is so precious that we pray for it a number of times each day. Sim, sim, sim shalom, sim shalom tova uvracha. Remember this? And then you need to read page 27. It's your decision. Making a decision means picking and choosing. Grown-ups as well as kids are always making decisions. The options from which you choose are called choices. Abraham gave Lot the first choice. He said, you shall have the first choice, and whatever you will give, I will take the other. And then Lot made his decision to live near the evil cities of Sodom and Gomorrah. And he said, my cattle and sheep will have lots of grass and water in this valley. Lot made his decision and chose the valley because he wanted to be wealthy. Some choices and decisions are easy to make, right? Like eating chocolate. Which candy to buy? What TV program to watch? What sweater do I wear to school? But sometimes choices and decisions are difficult to make. What would your decision be in these cases? Please answer those two questions and write what your decision will be. For the first one, your friend shows you tomorrow's test. Your friend says, I will let you look at it before the exam. What do? Do you take a look at it and come to the exam knowing the answers already? Or you don't? Write to me. What do you think? And then you want to see a special movie. A friend says, lie about your age and you will be able to buy a cheaper ticket. Say that you're 6. What do? Will you lie about your age? Maybe you come to the cinema and the movie is for 10 and up. Will you say you're 10 already? Will you lie to get into the movie? Tell me what you think. I will meet you tomorrow for Zoom, but that will be Hebrew Zoom. And on Friday, we'll do a Zoom about Judaic and we'll see. What do you think? What will you do? I'll meet you all tomorrow in Zoom. Bye.